Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a simple yet powerful breathing technique that can help you relieve stress, improve focus, and find calm amidst chaos. It's called box breathing. Whether you're dealing with a busy day, preparing for an exam, or just need a moment to reset, box breathing can be your go-to tool. Let's get started. Box breathing is a method often used by Navy SEALs, athletes, and mindfulness practitioners to maintain calm and clarity. It's called box breathing because it involves 4 equal parts, like the 4 sides of a box. Each step is timed and deliberate. Here's the simple formula. 1. Inhale for 4 counts. 2. Hold your breath for 4 counts. 3. Exhale for 4 counts. 4. Hold your breath for another 4 counts. That's it. You repeat this cycle several times to help calm your nervous system and regain control of your mind. So, why does box breathing work? It's science. When you breathe slowly and deeply, you signal your parasympathetic nervous system to activate. This helps lower your heart rate and reduce stress hormones, like cortisol. Plus, the focus required helps quiet the mental chatter and bring your attention to the present moment. Before we start, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. You can also lie down if you prefer. Keep your back straight and your hands resting on your lap. Close your eyes, and let's begin. I'll guide you through 3 cycles of box breathing. You can follow along with my voice or the visual cue on the screen. Let's take a deep breath to begin. Take a slow, deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's do it again. Feel free to pause this video and continue practicing as long as you like. You'll notice a sense of calm building with each breath. Here are some tips to get the most out of box breathing. 1. Start small. If 4 counts feel challenging, try 3 or even 2 counts and gradually increase. 2. Make it a daily practice. Just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. 3. Use it during stressful moments, before a meeting, exam, or whenever you need to ground yourself. 4. Stay consistent. Like any habit, regular practice will give you the best results. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this technique helpful. Remember, box breathing is a simple tool that you can carry with you anywhere, anytime. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need a moment of calm, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mindfulness and wellness tips. See you in the next video.